Hey everybody, please let's take a look. Please make a quick decision. Make or do? Yeah. Make or do? If you want to know the answer, please keep watching this video until the end. Hey everyone, English learner. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about collocations with do and make. So do. The verb do is often used for actions, tasks, and obligations. For common collocations, we have do homework, do the laundry, do the shopping, and so on. The verb make is often used for creating, producing, and causing. For common collocations, we have make a noise, make a mistake, make a plan, and so on. Okay, please keep watching this video. You will practice doing quizzes, okay? Okay, so keep watching. Okay everybody, I do believe that you have learned a lot from this video about collocations with do and make, right? So anyway, thank you so much for your watching. I'll see you again in the next video. Okay, bye bye everybody.